What is gas? Sending gas is a sacrificial ritual to the Ethereum gods, otherwise known as miners, who make it possible for mere mortals to use the magical powers of the Ethereum blockchain. Or, in other words, it is the transaction fee, which is paid to the miners in exchange for their computing power, that keeps the network running and allows users to make transactions. Gas is the thing that makes it profitable for miners to use their computing power to mine. But why does Ethereum use gas instead of ETH? Is this some sort of an elaborate joke made by the Ethereum team to make things unnecessarily difficult? Actually, it is not a joke, and there is a very simple explanation for this. While the price of ETH fluctuates quite drastically almost every day, the cost of computing remains constant. If the transaction fee was a certain amount of ETH, it would mean A, that the network would constantly have to adjust to the new price of Ethereum, which would be inefficient. B, if the network doesn't adjust to the new price, then during price drops, mining would become unprofitable and the network would have a lot less, if any, miners. On the other hand, if the price increases drastically, transacting on Ethereum would become too expensive. To solve this problem, Ethereum uses gas. Gas is not a separate token that is used to pay the fee. Instead, it is paid in Ethereum, but is calculated by multiplying gas limit and gas price. This disconnects the price of Ethereum from the fee that's paid to miners, which keeps the mining operations profitable to miners at all times and keeps the network stable. Both gas limit and gas price can be changed when making a transaction. So why would anyone want to spend more money on a transaction if it's not mandatory?